So I live in an RV, and let's just say the cooktop that I have has seen better days. So when this company said they would send me a brand new cooktop, well, you know what happened? Because we're making this video. I'm super excited to see how this looks. Oh, it's already super sleek. Okay, this is gonna look great on my countertop. So this is electric, very smooth design. Oh yeah. Oh yes, look at this, guys. I mean, this is a brand new toy for me. Like, I'm like a kid in a candy store. But let's see how it works. So there were only a couple things in the box. We have our rubber tape if you want to install this into your counter, but I'm going to use it as is because it definitely has some feet. Also, it has the instruction manual, and as you can see, it comes in a couple of different orientations and different button placements. Looking at the cord, it is a very nice length, also thick, and it's just your standard 3-prong outlet, so nothing crazy. So I'm just cutting up some onions, and we're gonna see how well this works. So I've been playing around with some of these buttons, and I really like that it tells you when it is hot. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Just gonna turn this on. You have power levels from 10 all the way back down to 1, actually 0. We have a timer button here. You can play with that, turn that back off. And also what's interesting about the bigger eye is the fact that you can turn on the inner or the outer ring right here with this button here. Let me turn it on, and then it'll let you know whether you want the inner or the outer ring on, and it'll light up. So this one's gonna get a bit hotter than the smaller one. We're going to saute some onions here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them directly on my pan. I'm gonna add a bit of grapeseed oil to the pan, and we're gonna let that sit. I do have both rings on. Start the timer. A little update, it's getting really hot, as you guys can see. Oh, and it smells amazing in here. Nothing like some sauteed onions. This is so much hotter than my last stove, so I have to adjust how I cook. This is like a regular cooktop, and definitely not feeling like I plugged this in at all. I really like how this has a glass top. It makes cleanup so much easier. It has been 10 minutes, guys, and these onions, I say they're done. I am impressed. Usually it takes me at least 20 minutes on my old stovetop to get any kind of action going with my onions past saute. Now, if you want to see what I'm actually cooking with these, you're going to have to watch the rest of my video, but it is a 10 out of 10. The fan noise on this is so low that the rain is louder outside. It's not annoying, it's not intrusive. In fact, I really forgot it was on. Overall, I'm really loving this stovetop. It fits perfectly in my tiny home. It's clean, easy to wipe. It heats up exactly as it said it would. Cooks this very well. I can bring it to any catering gigs without it looking clunky. Easy to transport. All you did was plug this in and let it do its job. I am very satisfied and ready to eat, but I'm not done yet.